According to the data of power generation volume, for various types of energies reported by the Thai Power, thermal power generation, coal-fired power, gas power, and fuel power is the main source of power generation. However, the combustion process will create several byproducts: fly ash, button ash, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, and particulate matters, which may cause significant impact on the environment. When thermal power is used to release these byproducts, the immediate problem is the worsening of the greenhouse effect, leading to global warming. What is greenhouse effect? The atmosphere covering the surface of the Earth has similar function to a glass wall of greenhouse. When the sun emits energy, part of it will penetrate the atmosphere and be absorbed by the Earth. Some of it will be absorbed by the atmosphere, and other will be reflected back into space. In order to balance the absorbed energy, the Earth also emits infrared light from the surface to release energy. Among the thermal radiation released from land and sea, only a small portion will penetrate the atmosphere and go into space. Most of it will be absorbed by greenhouse gases and clouds in the atmosphere and then radiated back to the Earth. This is the greenhouse effect, enabling the Earth to maintain a certain temperature for human beings to survive. The Nazi greenhouse effect. In the past, greenhouse gases were produced by activities in nature, which accounted only a small portion of the atmosphere. The degree of the greenhouse effect was normal. When society and technology started to advance, many human activities began to release large amounts of greenhouse gases. Thermal power generation is one of the sources that release greenhouse gases. The result of severe greenhouse effect is global warming. Is global warming a mistake? Global warming not only makes the Earth unfavored, it also creates many problems. Problems such as rising of sea level, melting of ice in the Arctic and the Antarctica, rising of global temperatures, and extreme weather are major issues that will make humanity to face a crisis of survival. The second big problem is air pollution. There are two major sources of air pollution. The first one is nature environment and the second one is human activities. Dust or chemical substance produced by soil dust, forest fires, and volcano eruption are examples of air pollution from nature environment. Air pollution from human activities includes general livestock pollution and agriculture burning. After the Industrial Revolution, large number of fossil fuel was used, resulting in traffic pollution, industrial emission, and the release of power plant exhaust gases. Air pollutants mainly include suspended particulate matters, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxide, and volatile organic compounds. These pollutants not only cause global warming, but also are the potential killers of human health. A third big problem is the continuous depletion of global fossil fuel reserves. According to the British Petroleum Corporation's statistical report in 2012, for the world's primary energy estimation by the end of 2011, the global petroleum reserves can last for about 54.2 years. The global natural gas reserves can last about 63.6 years, and the global coal reserves can last for about 112 years. Therefore, besides coal, fossil fuel such as petroleum and natural gas, and uranium mine will be depleted gradually in the next few decades. Therefore, developing a good habit of energy saving has become a national movement to alleviate the problems of global warming, air pollution, and fossil fuel depletion. Question 1. Which of the following is the main source of power generation in Taiwan? Question 2. Which of the follows is the byproduct created from the combustion process of thermal power generation? Question 3. In general, the energy emitted from the sun will not. Question 4. Which of the following is not greenhouse gas? Question 5. How many years can global petroleum reserve last?